If you're brand new into FPV and you're looking for a great pair of goggles, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to explain why I chose the Attitude V5 as my first pair of goggles. My name is Rick Burrows. You're watching Drone Maverick. Let's get right into it. When I first got started into FPV, there were only three things that I really cared about. How much does it cost? Can I see the drone when I'm flying far away? And are they comfortable? When Fatshark built these goggles, they set it up to record everything that you see. Once you plug in the battery pack, what you want to do is press down and hold the button on the right of the fan, and then you'll see this little menu right there. What you need to do is to navigate up or down until you get to the record, and then you want to move this button to the right. Then a little pop-up comes up, and then you want to navigate down to where it says auto start continuous, and then you want to go to the right again, and then that will save it so that every time you turn on your battery pack, it will automatically start to record everything that it sees. Whether the drone's connected to it or not, it will start to record everything that it sees. And then you press the button going to the left, and then it'll go back to the Snow White screen. It makes it a whole lot easier for you to find your drone when you fly it and you crash it somewhere. That was a big selling point for me. Connecting to your drone is actually very simple. There's a little wheel right here where you can change the channel until you see your drone. The little battery pack that sits on the side of your head will last you a full day. What I really like is the little meter that tells me how much my battery actually has left. Now it does come with a little headphone jack where you can plug this in, put your earpiece in. The benefit of the microphone is to simply listen to the performance of the drone. If you're outside and it's really hot, this little fan right here is actually very convenient, and the fan will actually prevent any condensation from building up on the lenses. Let's talk about distance and how far away the drone can get before you start losing the signal. If you have a clear path to the drone, you're gonna see it just fine. But once you start getting around trees and you start like navigating around, then you start losing that signal. And I highly recommend that you get one of these antennas. This is a Lumineer AX2. It looks like two omnidirectional antennas, but it's designed for deep penetration into the woods, and I gotta say it works great. Now, one mistake that I made with these goggles is that I was over tightening the omnidirectional antenna and I snapped the joints that were holding the base on there. Thankfully, I was able to resolder the base to it. I made a video on how to repair that, so I'll leave that in the description below as well. One feature I forgot to mention in the beginning, you can actually make minor adjustments to the position of the lenses so that it matches your eyes. Now, my only major gripe with these goggles is that when I got them in the mail, they came with the battery case, but they did not come with the batteries. I don't know why, but it was just one of those things where, hello Fatshark, you gotta send me goggles, send me some batteries as well. These are 2500 milliamp hours, 3.7 volt batteries. You need two of them, and they will last you 2 to 3 days depending on how hard you're pushing your drones around. These can range from $10 to $25 a pair. Now the total price for these goggles and the two batteries is around $350 with tax and shipping. The last feature on these goggles is that they are very comfortable. The cushion that they have around the eyes makes it very easy for me to move my head around, and I have been able to fly for a very long time and not even realize that I'm wearing these. They sit comfortably on my head if I'm gonna be looking around, maybe picking up the drone, changing the battery or something, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so let's recap. Very easy to connect to your drone with a simple press of a button. If your lenses are developing a little moisture on them, you can easily press the fan and then it'll take care of that right away. It comes with these two antennas, which is very simple to put on. Again, be careful when you're tightening them on. And I also love the little display to tell me how much battery power I still have left. If you found this video to be helpful, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and buy them. Quick disclaimer, if you use my affiliate links, it will give me a commission. It's at no extra cost to you, but that's how I justify giving you all this information for free. So I'm very satisfied with these goggles. I highly recommend them to people who are looking to get started with a good pair. Alright guys, so with that being said, if you found that this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Drone Maverick, and I'll see you on the next video.